Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, go to settings, then you have to go to the smart manager, battery, and here you have normal saving mode. You can switch it here like this, and you can also here you have some options of it, like time opening. This is just basically a schedule when the power saving mode will automatically turn on and turn off, and you can set it here for yourself. And you can also switch power saving mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.